dear student, now take page number 37 in General Knowledge book Sporting Grades. Name these all-time greats from the world of the sports in the oral exercise. First, है an American. He was born as a Cassius Clay. He won an Olympic gold and was a three-time world heavyweight boxing champion. Will Smith port- portrayed his character in a film which was named after him. He died in 2016. Muhammad Ali, an Australian cricketer nicknamed the boy from the border. He finished with a batting average 99.94 in the Test cricketer. Sir Donald Brandma. Third, he led Argentina to World Cup football win in 1986. The boy Diego Maradona. Fourth, he originally Czech. She became US citizen. She has 59 Grand Slam tennis titles. Her name. She has fought cancer and now is coach. Martina Navratilova. Fifth, he won 91 Formula One races. He donated millions of dollars for the rehabilitations of the tsunami victim in 2005. In 2013, he was incapacitated following a skiing accident. Michael Schumacher. He is a great all-rounder cricketer from the West Indies, Sir Greg Sobers. Exercise B, name the sport they play. धनराज पिल्लाई, अजीत पाल सिंह, रिक चार्ल्सवर्थ, तो उन्होंने क्या प्ले किया था? हॉकी. कोबे ब्रांड, माइकल, फिर कैरिन, अब्दुल जब्बार, जेम्स, उन्होंने बास्केटबॉल. विनो मैंकन, लॉन बोथनम, रिचर्ड हैडी, क्रिकेट. रामनाथन कृष्णा, रोड लेवर एंड जेन किंग, तो वो है टेनिस. फ्रेंच बुकास, माइकल प्लेटिनी, ज्योर्ज एंड जोहान, तो वो है फुटबॉल. Then turn the page and here we have a word play. So word play करना तो सबको पसंद है ना? Yes. तो इस बार ये आप पे छोड़ती हूँ. First of all you try, then I give all the answers to you. Okay. Then juggle the letters. क्या करना है? The two words define each group or comprise the same letters. Identify the first word and then juggle the letters around. Find the second word. एग्जाम्पल शॉर्ट, तो शॉर्ट में से एच निकाल दो तो वर्ड्स हो गया. यस. अब इस तरह फ्रॉड, चीट. फ्रॉड को क्या बोलते हैं? चीट भी बोलते हैं ना. यस. इंस्ट्रक्टेड, ट्रेन, इन्फ्लुएंस, टीच. टू बोस्ट, तो ब्रेक. सीज ऑफ ग्रेस्प, सडनली, ग्रेब. से दैट इट इज समवंस एल्स फॉल्ट, ब्लेम. किसी का फॉल्ट हो तो ब्लेम बोलते हैं ना. फिर स्ट्रोल, रैम्बल. To find, follow the path of pattern to trace. Wooden container, crate, slipper, mud or stucky half liquid. Slima, plural of measure length, miles of or based on of fractions. Decimal. A doctor is a medical practitioner. Long narrow piece of paper, metal, fabric, etc. Strip. Journey to the place and back trips. Restricted or limited. Stain. Doctor who removes or fills teeth with dentist. Having value. I mean worth. To fling, throw. Strong cord that joins the muscles to be born. Sinew. Another name for a pig, swine. Now exercise B, क्या करना है? वहाँ पे भी turn each pair of words into synonyms by taking a single letter from either word and placing it sometimes or somewhere within the other name. Do not rearrange any of the other letters. For example, read and bed. By baking, by taking R from the thread and editing it to pen, we get the synonym sad and barn. The first one has been done for you. Laughter to slaughter, skill to esco निकालो kill. फिर है सीट तो स्लीट इन कट में से एल निकालो तो कट. फिर फ्राइड तो फ्राइड एंड स्कार तो स्कार. बोस्ट तो बोट BOAT boat and hip the ship. Then fifth one rig to ring, pinal to peel. Ego, go and live LEAV live. Hope, chop CHOP chop. Chew तो C निकाल दो HEW chew. Regiment तो regiment and die तो die पे T लगा दो तो diet. So it is a very easy and very interesting chapter जिसमें आपको जगल्स लेटर्स ही करने हैं. सो इस तरह 1 to 10 exercise A and exercise B complete in our general knowledge book and fill up both page number 38 39. Okay, so I hope you all understand and get it and fill up this page. Okay, thank you very much.